Okay, now last class we started with know your nouns, right? Know your nouns under gender. Correct? We learned about gender in the last class. What are the 4 types of genders that you learned? Who remembers the gender? Class over. What you learned also is over.
Ma'am, page number, ma'am.
Female, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Masculine, feminine.
Gender, ma'am, and gender.
Very good. Okay, so you have masculine gender, then you have feminine gender.
Page number, ma'am.
I'll tell you the page number. Okay, first we will revise what we did last week. Then I will start with the exercise. Okay. Then we learned about common gender, and then we learned about neuter gender. Okay. Now what is masculine gender? Okay. Now I'm going to just explain to you all. I don't want you all to unmute yourself. Okay. Now, what is masculine gender? Masculine genders are nouns which can be classified as males only. Okay, for example, father, son, then you have uncle, grandfather. Okay, all these and all will come under masculine gender, the nouns which are classified as the male. Okay, father, son, uncle, tiger, lion, all these and all will come under masculine gender. Next is feminine gender. What are feminine gender? Feminine genders are nouns which are classified as the female or the feminine. Okay, for example, you have mother, daughter, aunt, then you have lioness, tigress. Okay, all this and all will come under feminine gender. Okay, so male, female. Then what is common gender? Common gender is where the nouns can either be a male or a female. Okay, for example, it can be student. Okay, when I say student, it can be a boy or a girl, correct? And then if I tell teacher, okay, teacher also can mean a male teacher or a female teacher. Same thing goes with cousin. Okay, you can have a brother, cousin brother, or cousin sister. So all those will come under common gender. Okay, and then you have neuter gender. What do you mean by neuter gender? When you cannot classify a noun as a male or a female, then those will come under neuter gender. Okay, which are not a male or a female. You cannot classify them as a male or a female. For example, anything, basically, it can be anything, can be a chalk box, it can be a purse, chair, table. All these and all will come under neuter gender. Okay, hope all of you all have recollected what we did last week. Okay, now take your grammar books and turn your book to page number 29. Okay, now turn your books to page number 29, worksheet 2. Okay. Worksheet 2, page number 29. Rewrite the following sentences, changing the gender of the nouns that are highlighted. Okay, if you see in the sentence, some words are highlighted, right? So those sentences you have to write the other gender. If a male is given, you have to change it to female. If a female is given, you have to change it to male. Okay, now first one, father likes to read the newspaper every day. Right now, which is a word that is highlighted here?
Mother likes.
Very good. Father is highlighted, so you change father
Mother,
to
ma'am.
mother. Yes, very good. Now take your pencils and start writing down the first one. Write down mother likes. M-O-T-H-E-R. Please begin with a capital M. Okay, beginning of a sentence, and proper name should begin with a capital letter. Okay, mother likes. Mother likes. Mother likes, L-I-K-E-S, likes. To. T-O. To. Read. R-E-A-D. Read. Try to write it small. Don't write it too big. Otherwise, you will not have enough space. Okay. Okay. Mother likes to read the. T-H-E. The. Newspaper. N-E-W-S. P-A-P-E-R. Newspaper. E-V-E-R-Y-D-A-Y. Every day. Okay. Mother likes to read the newspaper every day. Okay. The ones who are finished, just show a thumbs up. Do not unmute yourself. Okay. Just show a thumbs up. Yes. Very good. Chirant is finished. Harshavardhan is not showing like this. Harshavardhan is showing downwards. Yes, very
No
good.
one.
Arjun also is completed. Pritanya is done. Dakshya is done. Yes, very good. Okay, now shall we move on to the next one? Annie, have you written?
Yes, ma'am. Oh, ma'am. Yes,
Okay, write it down. Yes, write it down.
Oh, ma'am.
Yes, very
No,
good.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Right. Okay, mother likes to read the newspaper every day. Okay, next. Second one. Okay, second one. The man watered all the plants in the garden.
Men.
Man is a male. What is the female? What is
Finish,
the-
ma'am.
What is the female of man?
Men.
Woman, not plural.
Men, ma'am.
Woman. Very good. It is not men. I'm
Woman.
telling your children, your
Sorry, sorry,
men
sorry.
is not men. It is
Women.
woman. Okay.
Sorry,
Write down.
sorry.
Capital T-H-E. The. Capital T-H-E. The.
Sorry.
Capital T-H-E. The. Woman. W-O-M-A-N. The woman. W-O-M-A-N. Woman. Watered. W-A-T-E-R-E-D. W-A-T-E-R-E-D. Watered. W-A-T-E-R-E-D. Watered. All. A-L-L. All. A-L-L. All. The. T-H-E. The. T-H-E. The. Plants. P-L-A-N-T-S. Plants. The woman watered all the plants in. I-N. In. I-N. In. The. T-H-E. The. T-H-E. The. Garden. G-A-R-D-E-N. Garden. And then put a full stop. The woman watered all the plants in the garden. Yes, very good, Kritanya. Even Chirant also is completed. Yes. Varun also is done. Yes, very good. Samuel. Yes. Okay. Now, third one. Yes, very good, Ali Bibina. Okay. Next, third one. The bride.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Shirley is still writing. Write quickly. Okay. Now next third one. The bridegroom greeted all the guests.
Yes.
Yes.
Bride, ma'am.
Very good. The bride. Very good. Now write down.
The right man.
Yes, very good. Answer is the bride. Okay. Write down capital T-H-E. The capital T-H-E. The bride. B-R-I-D-E. Bride. B-R-I-D-E. Bride. Greeted. G-R-E-E-T-E-D. Greeted. G-R-E-E-T-E-D. Greeted. All. A-L-L. All. A-L-L. All. The. T-H-E. The. T-H-E. The. Guests. G-U-E-S-T-S. Guests, and then put a full stop. Okay, the bride greeted all the guests. Yes, very good, Chiran. Yes, Kritanya, Ali, Vibina, very good. Yes. Okay, the ones who are writing, write quickly. Third one, the bride greeted all the guests. Okay, now next one, fourth one, the lion is pounced on the stag
No,
and killed it.
Lion, ma'am.
Very good. The lion pounced on the instead of
lion.
stag. Yes, instead
Lion.
of stag.
Lion.
Yes, instead of lioness, it is lion. Instead of stag, here if you see, you have two words that are highlighted. One is lioness and the other one is a stag. So instead of stag, what will you write? Instead of stag, what will you write? It is doe. Very good. Okay, now write down the lion pounced. Okay, write down capital T-H-E. The capital T-H-E. The. Rakshit, I want you to write, not sit and stare. Okay, capital T-H-E. The lion. L-I-O-N. The lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. Pounced. P-O-U-N. P-O-U-N-C-E-D. Pounced. P-O-U-N-C-E-D. Pounced. On. O-N. On. On. The. T-H-E. The. T-H-E. The. Do. D-O-E. Do. D-O-E. Do. And. A-N-D. And. A-N-D. And. K-I-L-L-E-D. Kill. K-I-L-L-E-D. Kill. It. I-T. It. And then put a full stop. Okay, the lion pounced on the doe and killed it. Yes, very good. Okay. Shall I erase the first and second one? Anyone who's still writing?
No, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, now next
No,
fifth
ma'am.
one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now next fifth one. Fifth one. The hunter caught the gander and the duck and put them in a bag. Now, what is the other The other gender of gander?
Ma'am.
Goose, ma'am.
Goose, very good. And of duck?
Goose. Drake, ma'am.
Drake, very good, very good. Okay, so you will write the hunter caught the goose and the drake and put them in a bag. Okay, now write down fifth one. Capital T-H-E, the
Hunter, Bari.
the hunter, H-U-N,
Ma'am, go the side, ma'am.
H-U-N-T-E-R, the hunter, H-U-N-T-E-R, hunter, caught, C-A-U-G-H-T, caught, the hunter caught, the, T-H-E, the, T-H-E, the, goose, G-O-O-S-E, goose, G-O-O-S-E, goose, and, A-N-D, and, A-N-D, and, the, T-H-E, the, T-H-E, the, drake, D-R-A-K-E, drake, D-R-A-K-E, drake, and, A-N-D, and, A-N-D, and, put, P-U-T, put, P-U-T, put, them, T-H-E-M, them, T-H-E-M, them, in, I-N, in, I-N, in, a, bag, B-A-G, bag. Aaron Joseph, do you want to say something? Yes, Aaron?
I finished, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Okay.
I finished.
Yes, all of you have finished the fifth one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very
No,
good.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, write down, write down. The ones who are writing, write. 3
Yes,
and 4
ma'am.
who are still writing? Third and fourth one?
No, ma'am.
Okay, shall I erase these two?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write down the fifth one fast. Okay. Next, sixth one. The horse and the boy were great friends. The horse and the boy. Very good. The mare and the.
Mare.
Girl.
Yes, the mare and the.
Mare, ma'am.
Yes, that is for the
Mare
horse. So for the boy, instead of boy, what will you write?
Girl.
Mare.
Girl. Very good. So the mare and the girl were great friends. Okay, write down the sixth one. Write down capital T-H-E.
The boy and the opposite female. Boy.
Okay, the capital T-H-E, the. Then the other gender of horse is mare. Okay, so write down M-A-R-E, mare. The mare. And A-N-D, and. A-N-D, and. A-N-D, and the, T-H-E, the, T-H-E, the, T-H-E, the, girl, G-I-R-L, girl, G-I-R-L, girl, were, W-E-R-E, were, W-E-R-E, were, great, G-R-E-A-T, great, friends, F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. Okay, F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. Very good, Shamalin. Okay. Yes. Okay, everyone's finished. Yes, Ali Bibina also is done. Very good. Yes, even Samuel is done. Yes, Kirtan also is
Finish,
done.
ma'am.
Shirley also is done. Very good, Shirley.
Finish, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
okay.
finish, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Now next, seventh one. Seventh one. Yes, very good. Next, seventh one. Grandmother is talking to uncle.
Grandfather, ma'am.
Grandfather is talking to aunt. Okay, write down. Yes, write down. Write down grandfather, capital G-R, capital G-R, A-N-D, A-N-D, F-A-T-H-E-R, grandfather. Grandfather is I-S, is
Which number, ma'am?
I-S, is, this is seventh one. Okay, grandfather is talking to, grandfather is talking to
Auntie. Auntie, ma'am.
aunt. Okay, you will say aunt.
Auntie. Auntie.
Write down A-U-N-T, aunt. Okay, it is uncle, aunt. Okay, so grandfather is talking to aunt. A-U-N-T, aunt. Okay, the ones who are writing, write quickly. And the last one, eighth one in this exercise. Okay, in this worksheet, it's eighth one. Everybody thought the wizard was very cruel.
Which?
Very good, very good. Yes, the other gender of the female gender of wizard is witch. Yes, very good. Okay, now write down the eighth one. Every E-V-E-R-Y,
Ma'am, your voice.
capital E-V-E-R-Y, every body, B-O-D-Y, everybody thought, T-H-O-U-G-H-T, thought, everybody thought, the, T-H-E, the, T-H-E, the, which, W-I-T-C-H, which, W-I-T-C-H, which, was, WAS was
Finished, ma'am.
very, VERY, very. Yes, very
Ma'am,
good. The ones who are
finish.
finished, very good. Let the ones who are writing,
Finished,
write. Okay.
Finished,
Was very cruel. CRUEL.
Ma'am, finished, ma'am.
Finished,
Cruel.
ma'am.
Okay. CRUEL. Cruel.
Finished, ma'am.
Yes, very good. The ones who are finished, kindly wait. Let us give time for the others also to finish. Okay, don't keep on. Please do not unmute yourself. Do not unmute yourself. Okay.
Finished.
Eighth one is everybody thought the witch was very cruel.
No,
Right. The ones who are writing, write down. Okay. And like I told you, you will have to learn the match the following that is given on the previous page. Okay. But before I give you the test, first we will revise once and then the next day you will be having the test. Okay. Did you all understand about gender? Do you have any doubt?
yes, no, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay.
No, ma'am.
If you have finished till here, we will finish with today's class. Okay.